Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. Separation means the marriage is sick, but it doesn't necessarily mean the end. And even divorce doesn't necessarily mean the end. There's always the chance for reconciliation until one or the two of you remarries. So I've often said to people, if your spouse is not remarried, my advice is you're not free to marry. You're far better off to continue walking with God, trying to grow in your relationship with God, praying for your spouse, even though you're divorced now, praying that there can be reconciliation. Now, if they remarry, then in my opinion, there is no chance for reconciliation. Then at that point, obviously the other person has not only broken the covenant by their behavior, they are now in another covenant relationship. And I think at that point that the other person would be free to remarry. God bless you today.